Okay, one question that came to my mind. I don't know why I'm asking you this, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे दिमाग में आता पूछ लेता हूँ कि there is one mindset जो हम अभी बात इस आप बात करें 10 मिनट ज़ाया नहीं करने मैं बस वो 1 घंटे का मेरा वर्कआउट है मेरी भी फॉर एग्जांपल रूटीन है सुबह उठूंगा मैं टाइम ज़ाया करने की कोशिश नहीं करता कोल्ड प्लंज लिया 10 मिनट सूरज में हूँ प्री वर्कआउट लिया डायरेक्ट वर्कआउट वापस आया तैयार हुआ ऑफिस में अपनी रूटीन की है सब कुछ एक आई लाइक अ सर्टेन structure to my life ठीक है it keeps me going in a way but then there's other side of the things मैं stress के साथ इसको relate करना चाह रहा हूँ there's another side of the story as well where there are monks spiritual people who would tell you
time does not exist
यार easy हो जाओ जिंदगी में minimalist lifestyle रखो अपना ज़्यादा चीज़ें ना खरीदो material चीज़ों के पीछे ना भागो just take life as it comes and be easy और उनको अगर हम देखें तो उनका स्ट्रेस वाकई कम
है
तो ये सब कुछ करके स्ट्रेस ज्यादा हो रहा है हम गलत कर रहे हैं हम अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं या तो वो ठीक है कि यार अल्लाह मियाँ की गाय बन के ले जाओ आप सारे
we are probably at least we on this table are most definitely overstimulated all the time because that's how we are this is how we work this is our normal functioning if normal people are functioning here you and I are probably functioning here this is how I explain to people it's not ADHD or something and everything does not have to be diagnosed so this is like you know like certain I get that often as well I'm like dude you haven't seen the ADHD zone that I can get into so this is the normal function this is perhaps with some of us function and there are some who function a bit lower down as well. It depends what works for you. I am more relaxed on the day that I'm working hard and thriving.
Same.
When I'm meditating or forcing myself to meditate and take it slow. So I take 1 day a week off for myself. So like a weekday, middle of the week like Wednesday.
Yeah.
I take the mornings off just so that I can do what I want to do. It is the most stressful day of my week. I feel like because there's no structure to my day. So it's impossible. I try to schedule fun things for me to do. Like I'll go out with friends.
What would be
I'll do like something with the kids maybe, or I'll do something by myself as well. Or I'll go for like a slightly longer workout, slightly longer, like non-timed workout or non-timed run without the pressure of having to go to work and get ready and you know like the time ko ignore karna. I feel like that doesn't work for me. So I think every individual has to realize what gives them joy and what works for them. If I was to go in the mountains and to like you know cut off from all technology, which happened by the way. So I went to the spa and they took my phone away. It was the 6 most stressful hours of my life. मैं सारा time ये सोचती रही, oh my god, I wonder if the kids are messaging me. Oh my god, I wonder if Usman needs something. Oh my god, did they do that?
यही मेरा question है. Do you think this is healthy?
I'm sure it's not, but if I had my phone, then I would be more relaxed.
But we've gotten used to it ना ये एक लीश नहीं बन गई
हमारे लिए
लेकिन एक लीश बन गई कनेक्शन तो नहीं है अब लीश असल में दिस वाज सपोज्ड टू हेल्प अस राइट यार हेल्प कर लेगा चीजों में हेल्प कर लेगा आगे पीछे लेकिन मेरा भी ये हिसाब है फोन वहां पे रखो ना अगर दूसरे कमरे में भी पड़ा होगा और मैं इस कमरे में लेटा होगा इवन तो हाँ फोन ले आओ यार सबसे पहले फोन देखेंगे ना हम तो मेरा यही तो क्वेश्चन है मे बी इज
our life
maybe our life or stimulated life is the reason why we are more stressed we have more anxiety we have too much going on are we meant to do all of these things
and also are we dealing with it so I think the line is drawn there so there are some who can deal with this stress / leash / you know
लेकिन कभी ना कभी आके वो भी फटते होंगे ना एक पॉइंट जिंदगी में आता होगा वो ज़्यादा डिप्रेस्ड एंजाइटी में जाते होंगे ना पैनिक अटैक्स और ये कहाँ से हुआ 5 साल 6 साल 10 साल आपने ये सब कुछ कर लिया 10 साल बाद क्या होगा
after a little time you burn out and you tend to do that absolutely
so how do you create that balance where you are doing where you're following a structured life
so I think the only
साथ ही साथ आप you're also slowing down so how do you do that
no I think the answer is always you need to find out where you are happy